Hey everybody, this is Scott from InternetSafetyCenter.com here. Today we are going to look at Eset Internet Security Suite, or also known, I know some people call it ESIST. So, what we'll first do here is we'll open up Internet Explorer and head on out to their website. Okay, maybe running a little slow here. This machine is kind of been dragging all day here. Here's the website here, and we're going to look at the Smart Security 4. So if you want, you can do a free trial on it. It does, it's the anti-spyware, antivirus, spam, firewall, scans all mail and everything else like that, and you can see it has won a lot of awards and stuff like that. So this is what we're going to be looking at here today. So what you can do is you can download the free trial. You just go to the download sections and you can download the 30-day free trial. They will require you to create just a simple user account. Again, it's just your email address and a name. So this is they do require a password to install it, and this is just our trial one, so it's meaningless here. So we're going to go ahead and start the install. So here it is. Accept the license agreement. Yes, we always do the typical install, and now we gotta put in our information. What next? Enable threat sense. Yep, you want that. And what we decided to do is we wanted to enable protection of potentially unwanted applications. We think that's a good thing to actually have, just in case something is going wrong. Let ESET or ESIS, depending on how you want to pronounce it, let it go ahead and block those applications. So okay, we're going to let the installation go now here. We're going to go ahead and pause the video. So I mean, there's no point to have you watch this. So we're going to let this run, then when it's done, we'll come back and pick the video up right after it gets finished with the installation. So we'll be right back. Alright, we're back here. The next screen that comes up, obviously, here is just the finish screen. So we're going to go ahead and hit finish here. We've done nothing besides that, so all we've done is the installation here. Alright, so it comes with two options here. You can do strict protection or allow sharing. Allow sharing is obviously if you're on a network and stuff like that and you're sharing your printers or files and stuff like that. We're not doing that here, so we're going to do strict protection. So when you'll see it down here, you see them running here. Go ahead and right click and go to open window, and here's the main screen here. So it does say maximum protection, antivirus, spyware is checked to signify on, personal firewall, and anti-spam modules. So that tells you the protection here. You can also go to computer scan. It does give you two options: a smart scan and custom scan. Custom scan, you can just do files, you can do the entire C drive, whatever you want. It does give you that option, so you can see here. Here are your options. So you can also select other drives. Update, basically just update your virus signature and stuff like that. We have not run this, so but that's okay because we're gonna run ESIS through a test here shortly. And then you have the setup so that your username or password, you can actually change your password, and you can disable the antivirus and spyware protection and disable the firewall right here. We do like this being right here, because sometimes, when you install software, they tell you need to actually turn this off while you do the software installation. We like how you can get to this quick and easily from here. And then you have the help and support and stuff like that, and you can contact a customer support request, which is just a web form. Fill it out, send it to them, and then they'll get back to you with a number to call, or they'll just email you what you need to fix your issues. So we're going to go back to setup, and we're going to go into the advanced mode. So okay, we're now in the advanced mode here. So you can look at the protection status here. It does tell us the latest version of Windows Update is not installed, which is again really good. That's what we want. We want it to tell us if we're actually out of touch with our Windows updates. It does tell us, we only have 13 days left in our trial. So we had 30 days. We would run it through some tests and stuff like that before we actually do the review and everything else like that. Here's a file system activity, kind of what's going on with the. You can see the amount of read data and the amount of written data and stuff like that. And you can kind of see what's going on, and you can look at that or your network activity. Anti-spyware, here's your graph and stuff like that. Kind of tells you what it finds and stuff like that. So if you look on the in the tools here, you can look at your log files, quarantine, scheduler, number of scheduled tasks, which is really good. A regular update. Let's see, it's set to go every 60 minutes, so every hour. Automatic update after dial-up connection. If you're using a dial-up, yes. If most people are on high speed nowadays, so automatic start file check and stuff like that. You do actually want that turned on, and then you have the sys inspector and stuff like that. So that's kind of it for the interface. You can also go up into here, which allows you just a lot of options here. We're going to the advanced setup here because we want to actually look at this and see how it is all set up. If you click on the antivirus plus anti-spyware, you do see it all is enabled anti-stealth and stuff like that, and you can actually go into your threat sense program and actually enable that or disable it, whatever you want. Real-time protection, you can see it's on. Removable media, which is good. Flash drives. Start real-time protection automatically. Email, you want this on. You want everything, as it says, anything that's going to be sent and received will be scanned, which is exactly what you want, because that's where pretty much almost all viruses come through, is through email and stuff like that. So we do have a web protection. Threat sense parameter is still on. That's what we want. The automatic mode for the firewall is what you want. Just go ahead and leave that. Again, we're not big fans of messing with the firewall, and kind of lets you know what you're doing. The anti-spam module, move messages to spam folder and stuff like that. Again, it was about 75%, 80% accurate, and we went through some of our tests, so that's where we're right where we want it to be. The user interface, we're in advanced mode and stuff like that. Display menu, standard mode, alert notifications. What'll happen is you'll see it eventually when we run through our test. You'll start seeing some pop-ups here saying you have viruses, or something on your computer is wrong and it's got a scan for it. So you can also do the hidden notification and stuff like that. So, but that's kind of really it for for assist. There's not a ton to this application, which is kind of why we really like it. It's very light on system resources, and it's really pretty clean. There's not much to assist, as you can see. The only thing we really don't like is it does not have any built-in parental controls. That's unfortunately one of the lacking things we really don't like about it, where we like the Defender and F-Secure and Kaspersky a lot better, especially if you're a parent and would have kids. Those are, in our opinion, better overall. But if you're looking for antivirus and anti-spyware protection, Eset or Eset is a great choice. I mean, like I said, it's fast, it's very good at scanning, it finds almost everything we could throw at it, and it's very good. I mean, it really is. Like I said, it's won numerous awards, so I mean, we can't really complain about the job it's actually done. So, and you can actually do the import export of your settings and stuff like that. So, and like I said, you do have a lot of other options here, like the sys inspector and stuff like that. So, but this is just a quick rundown of eSys and what it all can do. Again, here's the website. It's just eset.com. You can go out there and look at yourself. But like I said, overall we do like the package. It's very good protection overall. But again, what was lacking for us was no parental controls. So, but again, if you're looking for firewall, virus protection, and spyware protection is very good. So that's the end of this video. We are coming up with another video here shortly when we will install it on our infected PC and see how good of a job it does. So we will talk to you later. Again, this is Scott from InternetSafetyCenter.com, and we'll talk to you later, folks. Thanks.